this is shock 5 minutes treatment. This is as good for all damaged hair, especially those color treated, bleach hair, falling hair. This is a very good treatment. You see, if you look at the hair, it's totally damaged, no more elasticity. So we're going to use that shock 5 minutes treatment to bring back the elasticity of the hair. So this is before, then we will show you the result after. Alright, this is the first step in this treatment, shock 5 minutes. We're going to use the shampoo. This is now the second step that we're going to use the bond restructure to the hair in order to restore back the elasticity of the hair.
We already washed the hair and now it's 80% dry, and now we will put this one, leave-in cream, and then blow dry. So guys, if you can see, this is the final result of shock 5 minutes. Yeah, this one. If you can see, it's very shiny. Beautiful.